Can you remember, say, mama, no use this your love when me wa. Can you remember, say, mama, no use this your love when me wa. Ooh, I'm feeling you, tra-la-la. The tools you're going to be needing for this hair tutorial is a tail comb, a normal comb like a white tooth comb, a hairbrush, some rubber bands. If you have the ouchless band, you can use it. I have ouchless bands, but I don't want to waste it for this tutorial. Yes, call me stingy. Then you also need Eco Styler. Mine is almost out. Eco Styler gel. This is in aloe vera, I think. Olive oil, in olive oil. And you need like hair extensions, like expression hair. So I've actually, gotten this hair ready. This is like, I made something like this in 3 packs, in 3 different parts or 3 different portions. So I have this in 3 or an extra 2. So the first thing I want to do is just to comb my hair, because I did not comb my hair, so I just want to comb my hair. I'll probably just comb this off camera. So I would want to part my hair into 3. I am not so good with parting my hair like in a very straight line, but I'm going to try for this tutorial to part my hair into 3. To get this out of the way. I'm going to be starting from the back. I just want to check if I laid the pattern well. So guys, I'm starting from the back and I'm just taking this brush to brush down my hair. I know the pattern at the back isn't too smooth, but you guys have to like take me that way. So I'm just going to brush this hair up. Go with my Eco Styler. I hope you all can see. Just take this much and just try to smoothen down the hair. Then I'm going to be trying to do the same thing for this part of the hair. I'm going to be taking some Eco Styler and I'm going to be smoothing I'm going to be taking one of the expression. I'm going to be tying it down. Going to be using hairpin to secure it down. I'm going to be using a bobby pin to secure it down. Then for the top part of my hair, I already, used a rubber band to hold the hair in two. So I'm going to be wrapping this around the braid. In two parts, I'm going to be dividing this hair into my own hair into two equal halves. So I took this, right, and I wrapped it round. Okay, around this. I can make it very tight, but I'm going to be going over the second one. So I'm just going to go around it like so, then use a bobby pin to secure this inside. everything is as firm as it should be. For that extra touch, I'm going to be adding these pins to it. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. If you love this video, do give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead. This is Niella and I am signing out. Bye guys.